A few weeks ago, I was in India, and w- and I had heard about London being ravaged by this beast from the east, and it was all over the news, and then London and the UK was getting beaten up by this unusual weather that was coming in from the east, from Siberia. It normally does not worry me that my plants or my bonsais are in the snow. For me, the cutoff point is about -4 degrees when I really start getting worried about them. But the day I came back to the UK, and I was in Pune at 34 degrees, and I came back to Heathrow at -4. It was a bit of a shock to my system. But I came back home, and all my bonsais were covered in snow. But the temperatures was only about -4 degrees, and I was not too fussed by it. And all indications were that the beast from the east had passed, and things would become normal pretty soon. Well, the snow hung around for a few days, but it disappeared soon after that. We had a week of relatively good weather, and I was pretty certain that we were done with winter and snowing and what have you. Remember that by this time it was already the 10th or the 11th of March, and normally by this time I do not experience snow in London. Rest of the UK, or at least northern parts of United Kingdom, Scotland, and perhaps even northern England, occasionally does have snow. Usually London escapes the snow. However, we were not done with the snow in London, and it turns out that a few days later, around the 15th of March, we had a revisit by, well, this time they called it the mini beast from the east. The mini beast turned out to be a monster for my bonsai, as by now many of them had started waking up from their winter slumber and were beginning to flower and open their buds and form delicate new leaves. The unseasonal snow and chilling wind desiccated most of my flowers and a lot of my tender leaves. I moved them into sheltered area, and I'm hoping for the best. Let's hope we don't have any more beasts.